Today in Songso in 2019, Juliette Sébastien broke the 3x3 European record single with a time of 4.4 seconds. The solve was 33 moves with 5 F12 pairs. This is a scramble, so she solved the white edges relative opposite to the centers, like that. And before doing an R prime, she did a U prime to preserve this pair and connect these pairs. So, like so. And then first pair is pretty simple. Interestingly, for second pair, she put the wrong pair in its wrong slot, like that. And then what she did was rotate, and put this pair, then put this pair in the back, solve it, these two pairs, and then be all good. Interestingly, after the wrong pair insertion, she could have had a different F12 solution, but it led to the same last layer case. So for this case, what she actually did was just insert this, and then pair these two, and then do the last pair. So, but what could actually happen, solve this pair first, and then insert this pair, and then do the last pair like this. You'll actually get the same last layer case.